Hi guys! Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-create ng Facebook page. Sundin lamang ang mga steps. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Go to your profile, click 3 lines button, click pages, click create, click get started, follow the steps, type the name of your page, then next, select the category of your page, for example, musician or digital creator. Click create button. Add more details to your page, general, your bio, contact numbers, and hours. You can see page health, fair pa kasi kulang pa ang iyong mga settings. And done, you created your page. Now you can add profile picture. You can connect it to your WhatsApp, add more friends, then next. Turn on notifications, next. And you're done. You can try Meta Business Suite app. Automatic switch on your new page and continue to set up. Kung ikaw ay digital creator, mas sinasuggest po ni Meta, Facebook, ang Facebook page. Kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, paki-like, mag-comment at share. Paki-follow na rin ako para ma-notify ka sa lahat ng mga contents na aking isi-share. Thank you for watching!